Recently, well-known nonprofit Ekal Vidyalaya held a virtual national conference bringing together its members, supporters and donors to enable the life of underserved children in rural and tribal India and Nepal. The foundation is known for its one teacher-run schools in the remotest areas of South Asia to take education to every child and is one of the largest grassroots level organizations that is trying to uplift communities across the nation. Aiming to eradicate illiteracy, the organization held this three-day virtual conference with presentations, brainstorming sessions on fundraising, other panels, and virtual tours of Ekal villages and centers. Be sure to visit ekal.org for more information on the foundation. Here is Rajni Sehgal discussing much on Ekal Vidyalaya during its National Conference 2020.
Ekal Vidyalaya hosted its first virtual annual conference on the weekend of September 11th, 12th, and 13th. Ekal is a large grassroots organization and relies upon its volunteers for its success. During traditional times, the annual conference was always an in-person conference where all the volunteers gathered to hear from the Ekal leadership team in India as to the ground realities and also discuss among themselves the issues that they are working on. This year, the pandemic transformed the conference into a virtual one and thus actually provided some interesting opportunities for Ekal USA, because this expanded the offering not to just include volunteers from Ekal USA, but we had volunteers from Ekal Australia, Ekal Canada, Ekal India, and other places. Ekal Vidyalaya is an organization that runs single teacher schools in over 100,000 remote rural villages, teaching nearly 3 million children. With the goal of bringing economic opportunities into the villages, now skill training has become a very key part of Ekal as well. In the Gramothan resource centers, now skill training in tailoring is being provided to women, and a range of other skills like beautician and other trainings are also provided to youth and women so as to provide economic opportunities. Technology is also taking center stage at Ekal. Digital literacy is being brought into the villages through 36 Ekal on wheels that are mobile computer labs. Tablets are being used in Ekal schools to introduce digital literacy at a very early stage at Ekal. During COVID times, Ekal's presence in 100,000 villages has had a huge impact, where the women who were trained in the tailoring centers were able to make over 3 million masks and distribute it to rural, remote frontline workers and villages. Also, the information provided by the Ekal teachers and the Ekal healthcare workers has helped keep the villagers safe. Villagers were taught how to quarantine, how to protect themselves during the pandemic, and thus the presence of COVID is almost non existent in the villages. A very new initiative that has come into fore is GRAIN, which is Gramothan Atmanirbharta Yojana, whereby Ekal is planning to use its Gramothan resource centers and bring e-commerce opportunities to the villages. The monies collected from the e-commerce opportunities will be used to make Ekal a self-sustained movement and get it off of charity roles. This project is being led by a large team of very talented youth, young professionals from India and the US. There were very different aspects of Ekal that was showcased during this conference. People were able to take a virtual tour of Ekal schools and Ekal villages. The Gramothan centers from different parts of India were showcased. People saw a Ekal school running in the Kashmir Valley. There was a wonderful tour of a village where the training provided by Ekal to the farmers, the organic farming training, has yielded great results by which this village, Parmadi, has now been termed as Karodpati Gaon because the farmers are really, really very successful and bringing a lot of economic output, are getting a lot of economic output from their farms in the village. Uh, the people who attended the conference were very motivated to see the impact of Ekal. There was a wonderful donor panel where supporters of Ekal came forward to share why they support Ekal. Many of them felt that Ekal was key to making India a strong place. India lives in its villages, and strengthening its village is key to making India strong. The All the volunteers felt that the virtual mode was actually very productive, for it allowed people to come to the conference without actually needing to travel. So each year they look forward to the new initiatives that are upcoming. Ekal also held a parallel youth conference where middle school, high school, and college children gathered together to create a Ekal Youth Initiative in the US. Reports from that conference were also presented at the national conference, and a Ekal Youth Board was set up to run those initiatives that are for and by the youth. Overall, it was an extremely successful conference, and Ekal volunteers look forward to the next phase of Ekal.